Tom Parker's wife Kelsey stood by him throughout his fight against a terminal brain tumor, of which he died on March 30, 2022. Kelsey has encouraged fans to line the streets ahead of his funeral on April 20, 2022, for one last goodbye. 4. Kelsey Hardwick is an actress who is married to Tom ParkerCredit, Splash News. Who is the wanted Tom Parker's wife Kelsey Hardwick? Kelsey was born on March 7, 1990, and is an English actress and vlogger. She is best known for playing a Hogwarts student in the third Harry Potter film, Prisoner of Azkaban, but appeared in several other films such as Abducted and Legacy. Kelsey started dancing at the age of 5 and went on to graduate from the Italia Conti School with a performing arts diploma when she was 19. She has a famous close friend, Pixie Lott, and outside of her life as an influencer is the owner of fashion boutique Kelsey Loves. Kelsey is the co-founder of Performing Arts Academy K2K Stars with pal Kelsey Gallagher. 4. Kelsey and Tom got married in 2018. Credit, Instagram. How did Tom and Kelsey meet? It is unclear when and how the couple first met, but Kelsey and Tom announced their engagement in March 2016. They married in July 2018 in a romantic ceremony in the grounds of Ridge Farm in Surrey, England, surrounded by their family and closest friends. The wanted Max George and Jay McGuinness were his ushers. 4. Tom and Kelsey have a daughter called Aurelia Rose. Credit, Instagram. Do Tom Parker and Kelsey Hardwick have any children? The couple have one daughter, who was born on June 30, 2019. Taking to Twitter, Tom revealed that his baby girl is named Aurelia Rose. In May 2020 they revealed they were expecting their second child, Bodhi Thomas, who was born in October 2020. 4. In 2020 Tom revealed he had a terminal brain tumor. Credit, PA, Impacts Entertainment. How did Tom Parker die? On October 12, 2020, Tom revealed he had been diagnosed with an inoperable brain tumor, stage 4 glioblastoma. Kelsey was not allowed to be by his side because of coronavirus rules, and Tom was alone when he was told the devastating news. In an interview with OK! Magazine, she said, "It has been a crazy 6 weeks. We had an inkling that something was wrong in July, but we never could have imagined it was this." Tom and Kelsey spoke openly about his fight against the disease, but on March 30, 2022, Kelsey revealed Tom had died. In an Instagram post, she said, "It is with the heaviest of hearts that we confirm Tom passed away peacefully earlier today with all of his family by his side. Our hearts are broken. Tom was the center of our world and we can't imagine life without his infectious smile and energetic presence. We are truly thankful for the outpouring of love and support and ask that we all unite to ensure Tom's light continues to shine for his beautiful children. Thank you to everyone who has supported in his care throughout. He fought until the very end. I'm forever proud of you. On April 12, 2022, Kelsey posted an Instagram picture giving fans the details of Tom's funeral. The post was to encourage those that would like to pay their respects to gather outside the St. Francis of Assisi Parish Church in Pittswood on April 20th, from 10 a.m. While the service itself is private for Tom's loved ones, there are screens outside of the church that will broadcast the service to the public.